Welcome to Logic Shala. Till now we have seen 7 basic gates: AND, OR, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR and a simple NOT gate. Using these 7 gates we can have a lot of combination of digital circuits. To go ahead with digital circuits, it is really important that we know the Boolean expressions of these particular gates. So let's try to understand the 7 gates with their Boolean equations. So let's start. For all the gates I am considering, except for NOT, all gates have 2 input and single output. The 2 inputs I will represent by A and B, and the single output will be represented by Y. Now let's see how we can express all the logic gates in terms of expressions. Now let's start with AND. The AND logic can be represented by a dot. Now whenever I write A dot B, it will mean I am saying A and B. Now when we come to OR, the same dot will be replaced by a plus sign. This represents a OR equation. Now it is very important for us to understand that when we talk about NOT, any particular input, because NOT has a single input, there would be a bar on top of that. Now this represents a NOT. This is an inverted logic. So if A has a value of 0, A bar will always be 1. Now in the same way, NAND is exactly the opposite of AND. So this equation is an AND equation. All I have to do is put a bar on top of that. This becomes a NAND equation. In the same fashion, for NOT, it will become A plus B and a bar. It's pretty simple, right? Now XOR and XNOR will not have such simple expression. It will have 2 different equations. If you remember the XOR and XNOR truth table, you would see that in XOR we need only one of the variable to be 1. If both are 0 or both are 1, the output will always be 0. So if you look at this particular expression, we will require either one, A or B, to be 1 and the other to be 0. And only then will Y will be 1. And when we look at XNOR, we need both to be in the same state. So you can see if both are 0, the output will be 1. If both are 1, still the output will be 1. Now when we have understood these basic expressions, let's move ahead with something interesting in digital logic equations.